All right, today we're diving into a massive shift happening in the automotive world. It's all about where your tires are coming from, and believe me, it's a huge strategic shakeup that's turning Mexico into a real powerhouse for tire manufacturing. And that has some pretty big implications for all of North America. So let me just ask you a question. When you think about the tires sold across the US, for brand new cars and for replacements, where do you picture them being made? The answer, it turns out, is getting a lot more complex, and actually a lot closer to home than you might think. Yep, the answer, more and more, is Mexico. Over the last decade or so, the country has become this absolutely critical hub, and it's fundamentally changing how tire makers supply the entire North American market. So how did this all happen? Well, this wasn't some random trend. No way. This has been a deliberate, long-term evolution that has turned Mexico into an essential linchpin for the whole industry. Okay, so why Mexico? What's the big draw that's pulling in all this investment? Well, it really just boils down to three core strategic advantages that give these manufacturers a seriously powerful competitive edge. These three things, they really work together perfectly. First up, proximity. Being right next door to the US vehicle assembly plants, that's a huge win. Second, logistics. It's just so much faster to get tires into the US market compared to shipping them from overseas. And third, you've got flexibility. These plants are built smart. They can supply tires for brand new cars, which we call original equipment or OE, and they can serve that massive replacement market. And listen, this isn't just one or two companies dipping their toes in the water. We are talking about a full-on roll call of nearly every major global tire brand you can think of. They are all pouring billions of dollars into building and expanding their operations down there. Just take a look. This list is a who's who of the tire industry. You've got the giants like Michelin, Continental, and Goodyear. You've got Pirelli, Yokohama, Bridgestone, and even newer players like ZC Rubber and Saloon are jumping in. This isn't some trial run. This is a core piece of their North American strategy. And if you want a number that really puts this into perspective, get this. Just one plant, Pirelli's facility in Silao, recently celebrated making its 50 millionth tire. That one number tells you everything you need to know about the scale and the high volume capacity these factories have now. But here's a really crucial point I want to make. The goal here isn't to replace US manufacturing. Not at all. It's about building a more resilient, more integrated North American production network. This whole strategy is about complementing the factories that are already here to better handle any global disruptions that come our way. In this strategy, it has a name. It's called nearshoring. It's all about moving production closer to where the products are actually being sold. And the goal is pretty simple. Create a supply chain that's more stable, more efficient, and way more responsive. So let's break that down. Kind of like a showdown between the old way and the new way. Instead of those super long lead times and being vulnerable to every port backup that happens with overseas imports, regional production in Mexico means way shorter transit times. You can respond almost instantly to what the market needs. It's all about being agile instead of just reactive. So at the end of the day, the ultimate goal here is simply a stronger North America. By balancing production between the US and Mexico, manufacturers can manage their capacity, cut down on risk, and just serve their customers better, without having to rely on a single source thousands of miles away. Okay, so what does all this actually mean for you? Especially if you're a dealer talking with customers every single day. Well, it really comes down to three things: quality, clarity, and, changing the conversation. And this quote right here says it all. Let's be crystal clear about this. A manufacturing location by itself does not determine the quality of a tire. That right there is probably the single most important myth we need to bust. So the big takeaway here is that these facilities in Mexico, they're running on the exact same playbook. Same engineering, same quality control, same high-performance standards as any other plant in the world. And having that knowledge lets you shift the conversation away from these outdated ideas about where a tire comes from and toward what actually matters: performance, durability, and finding the perfect tire for your customer's need. So ultimately, this is the main thing to remember from our explainer today. The focus really shouldn't be on the stamp on the sidewall that says where a tire was made. It should be on the global standards and the incredible engineering that ensure how well it was made. And that leaves us with a much bigger question, doesn't it? We've seen how this idea of nearshoring has totally transformed tire manufacturing for North America. So, as this powerful strategy keeps reshaping supply chains all over the globe, you really have to wonder, Which industry is next?